Do you want to know the secret to making great vocal melodies? Well, stay tuned to the end of this video and I'll tell you. Just kidding, I'll tell you now. The most reliable way to write great melodies is to write a lot of them. But how can we keep coming up with new melody ideas? In this exercise, I'm going to share a way to invert a melody and use it as a creative jumping off point to create your own unique vocal melodies. Inverting a melody just means flipping it upside down. It might sound tricky, but once you get the hang of it, there's no limit to what kind of melodies you can come up with. First, we need a melody to invert. I'm going to use Let It Go by James Bay.
So come on, let it go, just let it be. Why don't you be?
So here's what to do. We can see this melody starts on E and moves up 2 notes to G, then moves down 2 notes to E, and so on. So to invert this, we just do the opposite. When it goes up, we go down by the same number of notes, and when it goes down, we go up. And we end up with a new melody idea to start playing around with. For example, I don't like this, so let's move it up here and see what that's like. Yeah, I think that's better. And now we can add some new chords. I'm in hook theory here, and hook theory has key cheat sheets, which will show you loads of different chord progressions you can use, and we can even see what modes work with this. And remember, we're making vocal melodies here, so it's important to sing what you come up with and see how it feels. I made this example in Hook Theory's hook pad. It's something I use all the time and I really recommend it. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's beginner friendly, has tons of great resources, and makes music theory easy to learn. And check out this video next for another easy melody writing exercise. Catch you next time.